simple. Today I am going to share Butter Paneer recipe. It is very simple and very delicious. For this recipe, I am taking 200 gram fresh paneer. I have taken warm water with a pinch of turmeric powder. Cut paneer into pieces. I am taking one medium size onion, one green chili, little coriander leaves for garnishing, 3 medium size tomato, butter 2 tablespoons butter, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, garam masala half a teaspoon, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste, fresh homemade cream 2 tablespoons, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon kasuri methi. Cut paneer according to your choice, big or small. Put it in the warm water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Cut tomato. Put it in the blender. Cut it into pieces. Add fresh cream into it. And make puree out of it. Tomato and fresh cream is ready. Cut onion. Cut onion into pieces. Slit green chili. You can cut it into 2 pieces. Cut coriander. Coriander is for garnishing. You can just keep it aside. Add oil 1 tablespoon. Oil is hot. Now add onion and the green chili. Fry onion. Wait for the onion to turn golden brown. Now onion is fried. Add ginger garlic paste. Till it is fried well. Saute well. Add coriander powder. Add garam masala. Add cumin seed powder. Add chili powder. Wait for all the ingredients to be fried well. Now add tomato and fresh cream. From the blender. Pour little water, just pour it into that. Sugar. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Mix it well and wait for 5 minutes. Now the gravy is ready. Now I am going to add paneer into it. Mix it well. This is very easy for beginner. Anybody can make within half an hour. Perfect. Salt, everything is fine. Now I am going to add kasuri methi. Then I am adding butter, which is very important. This is butter paneer. Now I will add coriander to garnish it. Your butter paneer is ready. You can have it with rice, roti, dosa, puri, anything. Taste this and let me know how it is. Try this recipe, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, share it with your friends and give very good comments.